The next kind of formatting we'll look at is the grid formatting. By default, grid lines are displayed in Excel. However, grids can be removed. There are several reasons why you would want to remove your grids from your worksheet. One of it is to make the worksheet more readable. Also, to make the worksheet more delicate. So it depends on what you want to achieve. For this example, we're going to see how grid lines make your spreadsheet more readable and more delicate. Now, how can you remove the grid lines? This is a very straight to the point operation. Simply click on the view in the ribbon navigation bar. Now, the grid line is checked. Simply click on it to uncheck it. Let's take a look at how you can apply that. Let's take a look at this example, how you can remove grid line from your worksheet. Simply click on the view. Now, just uncheck the grid line and everything is gone. So it's up to you, whatever you want to decide to achieve. You can also try to apply the other types of formatting for this data. Say, for example, you want to give these names a color. You can choose to come here and click on the font color and give it a color you'd like. If you'd want to give the cell a color, you can come to the fill color and give it any color you like. So it's up to you to decide on different things you want to do with this.